long hair premiership in show is my 46 Calico Exotic. Exotic is my primary breed, share the same standard with Persian. 30 point of the head, 20 point of the body, 10 point of the coat, 20 point of the color and the pattern, 5 point is the refinement, 5 points is the balance. This girl built like a boy. The coat is dense, plush, far away from the body and full of light, and the color contrast is amazing. The red, deep black to the root, and the white is crystal white. And I love her head. It's round, and full of the chins, short stub nose in between the eyes and center of the head. I love the ear placement, set away from the top hat, and the top hat is smooth. So today my third best long hair finish. So who is the best? Number 51, Black Persian. Persian share the same standard with exotics. Only the coat length is different. Look at the coat. It's black to the root. And the grooming. The coat is light floating. He such like a star. And he loves to show. Let's show them. Yeah. His short, compact body and level of the back, and the ear is small and wide side of the top hat and tilted forward. And I love the eye color. It's deep copper eye color and sweet open expression. Today, my very best cat premiership long hair in show. Number 49, Silver Tabby and White, original Forest Girl. My second best long hair premiership in show, original Forest Cat. The head is 50 points, so it do matter of the breed. It's very important that it is right profile of the head. It's straight profile from the brow bridge to the tip of the nose, and I love her body. It's deep frank, and also the hind legs is slightly longer than the front leg, and the color is special. But I would say the color is only kind for 5 points. I'm a little bit tired, so today my second best long hair finish. Thank you everyone. Thank you.